I recently put up a video of a burn we did this past spring, the Parker's Branch burn, which I'll put a link to. We've actually burned this unit 3 times now. The first is a site prep burn. The second was in 2019, and I put a video up of that. Now, the video from 2019 only captured the first half of that burn, where things went well, there were no issues. And I never got around to making a video of the last part of that burn where things didn't go quite as well. So I thought I'd use today to discuss some of the tactical considerations and where things went sideways in that 2019 burn. A quick look at the map of the burn unit indicates where the next two sets of videos were taken at.
So my biggest worry would be that line over there.
Yeah, well, the last time when I was over there, we had the problem with it. It pushed the line, but then it hits the trees and just lays down.
Right.
So it's not, you know.
Back here. Go ahead. I guess you all can come on down to the tree down there in the corner. Copy that. I'll probably drop a few dots along the road here because the road's really bad in front of the
Matt, Tim.
Go ahead, Tim.
I am probably out of water on this one UTV. It's not pumping anyway, and I'm not in a good place to go get water, just like you know.
How much water is in the other UTV?
It should be full. We should be fine. I'm just going to keep the igniters rolling. Hey Maggie, Tim, hold up. Wait a little bit. I'm having issues with the pump. I think I'm out of water, so.
Are you planning on walking down along this Cherry Road? Maybe a little bit down there.
Katie, we need to hurry up a bit.
With water. Cover that, thank you.
All right, I'll be there in just a second. Light this.
What?
Light this right now. Light it.
She's clear. She's clear.
Thank you. If we got a UTV, Matt, we can bump over here. It's got into the tree line a bit. You okay?
I'm okay.
I
Thanks for screaming at me to run.
sent you the wrong way. I should have had you come back. That was my fault.
No, I was using my helmet to, like, was that grass started going? It was, I could see it closing. I almost went through here.
Yeah, when we didn't have the fire here, and we just had the fire out there, that's when it came toward us. So.
That's because my
Alright.
thing right now.
Now, what were some of the factors that went into this situation? We had a number of things go wrong kind of all at once. To start with, we were a bit short-staffed and we had a number of very inexperienced crew members. We also had a wind shift and an unexpected increase in fire behavior. We had water run out in one of the suppression units. More importantly, there was a focus on the immediate task, which was continuing the firing operation and trying to hold an unimproved line, and in doing so kind of created a myopic view of the overall situation. Not adjusting, not thinking ahead, not thinking of contingencies can lead to some poor decision making.
We're doing pretty good here, guys. This is Tim. Rebecca, I'm going to walk back and meet you so you have a hand. It's backing down into this tree line, but it's not doing anything terrible. We just have another couple hundred feet of this field to burn out down in the corner, though.
So think about the consequences of the situation. Think about what's the worst that could happen, and how can we make it worse with our decision making and make the right choices.